Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming TV and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Lost Ark. Anyway guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na kayo and i-hit nyo na rin yung ating notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating upload regarding these MMORPG games na pwede kayong kumita online. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin itong top 5 MMORPG games na pwede kayong kumita ng up to 500 to 1,000 pesos per day. Okay? But disclaimer lang po, hindi po kayo kikita ng ganyang halaga kung hindi nyo i-grind yung game na to. So this requires time and effort, okay? Dahil kung gusto nyo kumita, ganoon naman talaga. Even naman sa pagtatrabaho, nag-e-effort tayo. Sa pagnenegosyo, nag-e-effort tayo. So basically, bago kayo kumita dito sa mga games na to, make sure na grind nyo talaga siya. Okay? Kasi nakita nyo naman with Flight, with Albion, marami nang kumita dyan guys. No? Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. I think ang daming kumita sa RMT, okay, na contents natin because they grind the game so hard. Okay? So yun lang naman. So this is for the people who has a lot of time and kung wala ka namang work, pwede mong gawin, di ba? At least naglalaro ka na lang, kumikita ka pa. Okay? So, wag na tayo magpaligay-ligoy, so mag-start na tayo. So, una sa list natin is itong si Lost Ark. Now, si Lost Ark, the way you can earn money in this game is in 3 ways. So, magbibenta ka ng account, magbibenta ka ng gold, or magbibenta ka ng item. Okay? So usually, yun lang naman yung 3 ways dito kay Lost Ark. So in terms of farming, okay, maglalabas tayo ng updated video kung paano kayo makapag-farm ng gold items and kung saan din kayo magsisell ng accounts and also yung gold. Okay? Para at least, diretso na kayo doon sa group kung saan kayo makapagbenta ng in-game currency at also mga items. Okay? So, ito yung number 1 sa list natin. Nilabas natin yung review natin about Lost Ark, I think 2 days ago. So if you haven't watched it, andyan yan sa description, panoorin nyo na lang po. Okay? So next, walang katapusang Life Universe. Life Universe has been existing for almost a year now. I think more than a year pa nga. So, nung first na nirelease natin yung review dito, napakadaming kumita ng income, no? So, sobrang dami din nag-farm. And makikita nyo naman doon sa group na totem niya, no? Sobrang laki ng kinikita ng karamihan doon. Now dito, bumaba na yung rate niya. Kasi dati ang rate dito is like 6 pesos per M. Ngayon kasi guys, bumaba na siya into half. Okay? Like 2.2, 2.5. So more than half na nga yung binaba nung rate ng penya dito. Pero it's still good to play dahil meron pa rin namang mga buyers and meron pa rin talagang players dito. Kahit sobrang daming lumabas ng flight like yung Chronicles of Madrigal, yung Roika, yung Flamefly, which is yung mga yan is private servers. Ito yung original server, okay? Flight Universe, alright? Aside from selling penya, you can also sell an account. You can also offer piloting service. You can offer leeching service. So, there are multiple ways wherein you can make money in this game. I think sa Lost Ark, ganun din, pwede rin kayo mag-pilot, pero dapat kasi trusted kayo eh. Okay, so, as much as possible, marami tayong ideas na pwedeng gawin, pero we need to find clients, no? Lalo na yung pilot servicing. If I can get clients para sa pilot servicing sa mga games na to, I will. Tapos, kukunin ko kayo as player. So, that's a good thing that we can do since we already have a community. So, kung magkakaroon tayo ng ganyan, sa inyo ko hahanap. Okay? Pero dapat trusted talaga kayo kasi mahirap naman na mamaya pinapilot ko kayo tapos tinarantado nyo yung account. So, yun lang isa sa mga hindi natin dapat gawin, no? Especially kung maghahanap tayo ng mga kliyente na direct. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Now, kung paano kayo kikita dito, 4 ways lang naman. So, pilot servicing, again, selling penya, selling accounts, and also leeching service. Okay? Yun lang. Okay? Now, pag-usapan naman natin si Albion. Now, Albion has been up since, I think, few years back na rin to. More than 5 years na nga ata itong laro na to. Okay, pero nag-release kasi sila ng e-server recently lang. Itong year lang na to. I think that was February or March. Okay, and we started playing it during the time na na-launch siya, parang 3 weeks after na-launch siya, nilaro natin 'to up to now. Okay, naglaylo lang tayo recently kasi nakita natin si COM, si Chronicles of Madrigal. But Albion has been one of the consistent play and earn games. Kasi ang rate dito is still nasa 30 or 25 to 30 pesos per M. Per silver. Okay, per 1M silver. So try to imagine kung nakakapag-farm kayo ng 10 to 20M, meron na kaagad kayong magkano sa loob ng isang araw. Okay? Basic ang pagpa-farm ng 20M dito. Pero you need to grind it first, okay? Give it at least 2 months or 3 months. Okay, pinakamatagal na 3 months. 2 months para i-grind nyo yung gathering, i-grind nyo yung specs ng Destiny board nyo. May guide ako dyan guys, pero maglalabas tayo ng ultimate guide para kay Albion, para sa mga gusto maglaro ng Albion. Kasi dito guys, there's no limit on what you can or how much you can earn dito sa Albion na to. As long as masipag kayo. Okay? Yung rating skills, yung pagrarat lang guys, sobrang laki ng potential income nyo dyan. In a day, kaya nyo maka 50M kung magaling kayong mangrat. Okay? Which is maglalabas din tayo ng guide dyan. So don't worry, papakita natin sa inyo kung paano mangrat ng tama. Okay? So, ganun lang naman. In terms of buyer, mag-post lang kayo sa group, mabilis yang masasolve. Okay? May group din si Albion na buy and sell. But again, may mga methods, okay, kung paano mag-transact ng safe para hindi rin kayo maban ni Albion. Okay? Kasi nagkaroon ng huge ban wave dun sa mga nag-RMT dahil minsan ang ginagawa nila is direct trade or yung obvious na nakikipag-RMT sila. So, yun lang naman. Now, ito, bagong-bago to, no? Bagong-bago sa paningin natin, Mir4. Now, si Mir4, this is actually, it's a private server. So, pwede siya sa PC, pwede siya sa mobile. Okay, pwede rin siya sa Mac and Apple devices. Okay? Now, this is a Mir4 gameplay, pero of course, meron na rin siyang community sa Telegram. So, if you wanna check, okay, join lang kayo sa Telegram group. Okay? Meron tayong Telegram group dito ng Roguesy. So, dito lang kayo pumunta, no? So, ito yung mga community, andito yung mga players and also nandiyan din yung mga instruction na kailangan yung malaman. Okay? Now, the way to transact this, the currency in Rogue is the same with Mir4 Dragon World. So, actually, sama na natin si Dragon World kasi si Mir4 Dragon World, pwede ka rin kumita dito kahit pa paano. So, nakita niyo naman yung review natin kay Mir4 Dragon World, di ba? Kikita kayo by selling an account as well and also selling gold. Okay? So, dalawa yan. Now, the last game is itong si Ragnarok Origin. Walang katapusang Ragnarok. Okay, you can sell accounts, okay, in this game. Usually, ito, mga auto games lang naman to. Available siya sa mobile, but you can also play this on PC. Okay, gagamit lang kayo ng emulator. So, ang labanan dito is swertihan po. No? Pag swerte kayo sa account nyo, you can get good gachas. You can sell it higher. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung labanan dito sa account na to. Other games na hindi natin naisama dito is walang katapusang Run Pinas. Okay? Run Pinas is the #1 run online server dito sa Pilipinas and I think in the whole world. Kasi currently, ang players ng Run Pinas is still around 1,000 plus. Okay? More than pa nga ata ng 1,000 eh. Baka nga 2,000 pa or 3,000 eh. Okay? So, consistent yung server na to. It's been up for like more than a year. So, I should say na stable yung server na to. Okay? You can earn by piloting. You can earn by selling gold, selling items. Okay? That's how it works. No? Selling accounts as well. So, pretty much, yun lang naman yung mga play and earn games. Okay? Na for me, these are the top and highest paying games. No? Let's say, for example, kung mag-RMT kayo, ito yung mga pinakamatataas. Ang rate dito sa Run Pinas, guys, is around 30 per 1M. 30 to 35 ata. Last time na nakita ko si Dep, sabi niya nasa 35 daw. So, yun lang naman guys, and maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nakatulong to sa inyo. And kung lalaroin nyo to guys, please make sure that you grind it para kumita kayo ng 500 to 1,000 pesos per day. Yan lang and peace out.